Good morning, students. Yesterday I have given you this worksheet. Some students have done. Today I am giving the explanation to solve this worksheet. Let's start. First question. What is the area of this stamp? What is the area of this stamp? Okay. What is area? Area is the amount of surface a figure covers. Area is the amount of surface a figure covers. What's the area? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many squares? 18. 18. Area is measured in which unit? Square units. Area is measured in square units. So we have to write 18 square. So centimeter to centimeter. What's the answer? 18 square centimeter. B is the answer. Second question. What is the perimeter of the stamp? What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter of this stamp? Which stamp? This one. Okay. The length of the boundary. Length of the boundary is called perimeter. What is perimeter? You have already studied. The length of the boundary is called a perimeter. Length कितने? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 14. 14. What's the answer? 14 centimeter, 14 square centimeter, 12 centimeter. What's the answer? Square centimeter is area. The area is measured in square units. That's why, which is the answer? The 14 centimeter. The answer is 14 centimeter. The second question, answer A. This one. Third one. The length of the boundary is called options volume, area, perimeter. What's the answer? A length of the boundary is called a perimeter. C is the answer. C is the answer. Fourth question. Area of which triangle is more? A blue, red, both are equal in area. Okay. Or let's see this figure. The two figures are there. One is blue and one is red. Okay. Then first we count the blue square. Okay. This is the one full square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full square. Then this one and this one half. 8, 9, this two halves. 10. The area of blue square is 10 the square centimeter. Area of red square. Area of red square. This is the one full square. 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5 full square. 6, 7. Then these two square half squares. 8, 9, 10. Area of red square is OB 10 square centimeter. The area of blue is 10 square centimeter, area of red is 10 square centimeter. So we can say that both are equal in area. दोनों triangles के equal area. So the answer is C. Both are equal in area. Fifth question. What is the perimeter of a triangle of side 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter? What is the perimeter of a triangle? Or you have already know the length of the boundary is called a perimeter. It's a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Okay. Then the 6 centimeter, how to 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, this 10 centimeter. The length of the boundary. That means 10 plus 6 plus 8. 10 plus 6 plus 8. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24. Perimeter, you have to write this is centimeter. So we have to write 24 centimeter. Answer is A, 24 centimeter. Okay. Then sixth question. Area of square or side 5 centimeter. Area of square or side 5 centimeter. Square. This is square. Okay. The 4 sides are in square. 4 sides are equal. The one side is already given. One side is 5 centimeter. So all sides are equal. That means we have to write 5 centimeter in all sides. 5 centimeter. Okay. What's the equation? You have already studied. The area of square is equal to side into side. Area of square is equal to side into side. One side is 5. Then 5. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 25, the area is measured in square units. That's why you have to write square. Centimeter is there. 25 square centimeter. So the answer is C. 25 square centimeter. Answer is C. Seventh question. The perimeter of square of side 9 meters. Okay. What's the equation of perimeter of square? 4 into side. 4 into side. This is square. Okay. 4 in one side is 9 meter. This side 9 meter. Since square all sides are equal. So the equation is 4 into side. That means 4 into 9. 9 fours are 36. Equation for 36 meters. The answer is B. The answer is B. Then 8th question. Area of triangle of length 5 centimeter and breadth 7 centimeter. Area of rectangle. In rectangle, it's a rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. This side equal. This side equal. Okay. The biggest side length 5 centimeter, breadth 7 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter. Length 7 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter. Okay. The equation area of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. You have already studied that this one. The area of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. L means length, B means breadth. 2 into length कितना है 5. 5 plus breadth 7. 5 plus 7. First you solve on the bracket. 5 plus 7, 12. Then 2 into 12. 12, 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 24. Area, how to write? Square centimeter. 24 square centimeter. B is the answer. The perimeter of rectangle of length 12 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. This is rectangle. Length 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Breadth 10 centimeter. Okay. Opposite sides are equal. So we have to write 12 centimeter on this side and 10 centimeter on this side. Okay. Then what's the equation? The perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Length is 12 centimeter plus breadth 10 centimeter. 12 plus 10, 2 plus 2, 22. Okay, 22 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Answer is 44. 44. Length and breadth are in centimeters. So we have to write the 44 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle is 44 centimeter. The first one is the answer. Then 10. Area of square is 25 centimeter. Find its side. In this question, we have already given the area of a square. Area of a square. We have to find out the side. What's the equation of area of a square? Area of a square is equal to side into side. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Area is equal to. Okay. Area kitna? 25. What's the answer? 3 into 3. No, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. How we get 25? The 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So, the one side is equal to 5 centimeter. How to write? The B is the answer. The next 11th question. Perimeter of square is 24 centimeter. Find the length of its side. The perimeter of square is 24 centimeter. The perimeter of a square 24 centimeter. The length of its side. What's the equation of perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. The perimeter is equal to. Okay, 4 into side. We have to find out the side. The perimeter of square is 24 centimeter. 24 is equal to 4 into side. Okay, we have already studied this one. We have to find out the side. So, side is equal to 24 come to this side. 4 divided by 4. The 6 4s are 4 ka table mein 24 how many times? 6 times. The 6 4s are 24. That's the answer is 6. Then 6 meter or 6 centimeter. The answer is B. The answer is B. 12th question. Find the cost of painting a wall of length 4 meter and breadth 3 centimeter. If cost of painting is rupees 3 per square meter, find the cost. हम लोग we have to find out the cost of painting a wall. Okay, I draw a wall. This is a wall. The length is 4 meter and breadth 3 meter. Okay. Then, if cost of painting is rupees 3 per square centimeter. Per square meter means it's 1 square meter. इतना पेंट करने के लिए कॉस्ट पर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर का कितना रुपीस है 3 rupees. Okay. Then the first we have to find out the area. Why? We have to find out this full wall. The surface area is this one. This is the area. So we have how much area? We have to find out the area. That means area is equal to length into breadth. That means 4 into 3. 4 into 3. 4 threes are 12. Okay, we have got the 4 square, the 12 square meter. Then the 1 square, if the cost of painting rupees 3 per square centimeter. 1 square meter को कितना rupees है? 3. That we have to find out 12 square meter. That means 12 into 3. 12 into 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. The answer is 36. 36. The rupees 36. 13th question. Find the length of fence required to fence a rectangle field of length 7 centimeter and breadth 13 centimeter. Okay. We have to find out the length of the fence. Find the length of the fence. Fence ka length. How to find out the length? Okay, that means boundary. The length of the boundary is called a perimeter. We have to find out the perimeter. So, we have to find out only the length of the fence. Okay, this is the fence. Okay, not on the area of this one, only the length. That means the perimeter, means the length of the boundary. Length of the boundary is perimeter. What's the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. L is, length is 7 meter and breadth is 13 meter. Is equal to 2 into 7 plus 13. 13 plus 7. 7 plus 3. 10 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 20. 22 into 20. 20. 20 into 2. 0 into 2. 0. 2 2s are 4. The answer is 40 meter. The answer is C. Last question, 14. Find the area of a square park of side 12 meter. Okay, square park. That means we draw a square. Okay, then of side 12 meter. Square all sides are equal, so we have to write 12 meter on these sides, all sides. Okay, then find the area of a square. What's the equation? Area of a square is equal to side into side. One side 12 meter means 12 meter into 12 meter. 12 into 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Okay. Then 1 2s are 2. Right in this side. Okay. 1 1s are 1. 4. 2 plus 2. 4, then 1. The answer is 44, 144. The area is square. Then which one? This is meter. Area is measured in square units. That's why answer is 144 square meter. Answer is B. Then 15th question. Area is measured in dash units. All know that the area is measured in square units. The answer is B. Then these points you have to remember. You by heart this one. A square. Square का area find out करने side into side. Square of perimeter. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Area of rectangle length into breadth. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus